I agree. Oh, he might go right over us.
My little baby's
Oh.
right there.
Mira el monito.
Right there.
Oh, he kicked it off the wall.
Oh no.
Step.
Thank you.
So when we cutting the fruit, we cooking the water and then become too strong up. Wow. It's very strong like hot shot. Wow.
And what's it called?
Arak?
A-R-A?
Yes, tea.
Ara?
All right. All right.
Like 40% alcohol. Wow.